Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I finally got my Balance Discovery Box. This box ships from Canada, and this subscription, there are several that you can choose from. I get the Balance Discovery Box, which is just some newer products and different kinds of things and healthy kinds of things. And it is, I think it's $18.95 a quarter. This is a quarterly subscription. And if you buy it by the year, it's less expensive. So you get to save some money that way. They also have a woman's box. They have a man's box. They have a pantry box. They have snack boxes, and they have great snack boxes. And just that they have like a vegan snack box. They have gluten-free snack boxes. They have just... So it's great for people that have to be choosy about what they eat. Well, we all should be choosy about what we eat, but you know what I mean. If you have to have a special diet, it's a great snack box to get. And then they're all, I think they're all quarterly boxes. So let's see what I got. When I looked online, and usually by the time I get my box, they are showing what's in the quarterly box. This is the winter box. But this time I didn't see it, but so I actually looked at what's in here so that I could tell you more about the products. It said that the value of this box is $72, and I come up with $69.21. But of course, there is the shipping from Canada, which is more than $3, I'm sure. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a very, really nice box. It comes to me, it's very sturdy. It comes to me in great condition. And we have some craziness going on with cats. I had to give a yell over there. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like inside. Very pretty. And a quick sneak peek in there. And if you're in Canada, you can get this box, of course. If you're in the States, you get different products. Now, maybe there's an overlap of some products, but there are some different products in the States. And I don't know if you get 5 to 7, I think, items. So the first thing is the Lip Food brand, Echo Lips. This is the organic lip balm. And it's like a, let me open it up and I'll show you. It's going to be like, a better for you balm for your lips. It's a plumping. Well, I can't even get it open, y'all, because of course, that's how it is. Let me see if I can get it open. I'll be back. It had a very nice seal around the bottom. So I peeled that off. This is what it looks like. And it is rosemary mint with chamomile mushroom extract. Lip Food invigorates and moisturizes for a smooth, full look. It says it's globally sourced and minimally processed botanically beneficial ingredients in our Lip Food lip balm provide the ultimate lip soothing and moisturizing experience. Organic golden jojoba oil combined with organic fair trade certified cocoa butter and coconut oils. So this is great stuff in here. Those provide the base, and then the chamomile mushroom extract provides nutritive benefits to naturally plump, smooth, and moisturize the lips. So it's all plant-based. It has shiitake mushroom extract and invigorating rosemary mint flavor. So I'm all stuffy, y'all. It does have a nice little scent. So it looks like, I can't even think of the name of it. It looks like a chapstick, if you can see it. But it's all natural, so it's better for you. So I may be using that soon, because when I get this stuffy stuff and I'm blowing my nose a lot, my lips can get chapped. So that's a good thing to have. A great thing to have in the winter box, for sure. Next we have, this I had never heard of before. This brand, I have had Lip Food brand products before, but this one is called Vega Jelly. Vega Jelly. Excuse me. Oh, and this is $3.79 on their website. I looked at the product websites for the pricing. The Vega Jelly it's an all-natural moisturizer. This is 1 ounce. This is $5.95. It is 100% vegetable oil, all-natural moisturizer. This multi-purpose healing plant-based emollient is the ultimate alternative to petroleum jelly. So it's petroleum-free, no perfumes, all-natural, gluten-free, no sulfites, and no animal testing. And a lot of people are against Vaseline. I'm older. This has a seal on it. Excuse me. So I'm not going to open it. Sorry. I was raised in a house that had Vaseline. You use Vaseline on babies and for many, many reasons. If you scraped your knee, all kinds of reasons. And as I'm an adult, somewhere along the line, they said that the Vaseline is not good for you. So this doesn't have any. It says apply externally to moisturize skin, face, hands, feet, lips, hair, and nails. So if you've ever used Vaseline before, you just can use it anywhere. And that's what this is for. And it's nice it's in a tube because it's easier to get out of a tub than out of a tub, okay? Next up, we have this Zing, Z-I-N-G, plant-based bar. This one that I have is oatmeal chocolate chip. It does come in different flavors. And this is, I might open it to show you. It's 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 6 grams of sugar. So it's a low sugar bar, but it has some protein. It says, indulge in the simple pleasures of our oatmeal chocolate chip nutrition bar. Blending crunchy almond and organic gluten-free oats with rich chocolate chips. And a hint of cinnamon. This bar offers a satisfying texture and flavor, packed with plant-based protein and prebiotic fiber. It's a natural choice for energy and digestive health. So they recommend it for you, for your children, for anybody that needs a snack. And I like protein bars to take to work because sometimes I skip breakfast. Well, often. I usually eat breakfast at work. So it looks really good. I'll take a little taste of it. I can taste the cinnamon. And the chocolate chips are good. It has a nice consistency to it. It's good. I'll eat it for breakfast tomorrow with my coffee. I'll put it in a Ziploc bag. But this is good. This is sold in boxes, but when you divide it by what the price of the box is, this is $2.50. I forget now how many are. Maybe there's 6 in a box, I'm thinking. Can't really remember. Next up is this beautiful tin. Isn't that pretty? It's just really pretty to sit on your counter or on your kitchen table. This is Cacao Tea, caffeine-free cacao tea. It's made with the shells of the cacao beans. And it's natural, gluten-free, and vegan, a great source of antioxidants, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And there are, this is $19.99, and there are 15 tea sachets in here. So it was sealed, and since I had stopped the film, I opened it up. These are what they look like, and they're little triangle shapes in there. And it's loose leaf tea inside, of course, made 100% from natural cacao husk. That's what it's called, not a shell. It's called a husk. So let's see what one of them looks like, because it says that it's very beneficial. Yeah, a little triangle. That's what they said on the website. So this is it. So it'll diffuse nicely. Oh, it smells really good. So I'm going to try that. It says that if you would drink this every day, you're going to see some health benefits. So we use the husks of 100% natural cacao beans to create a unique tea experience that's both healthy and delicious. It's light with a hint of chocolate and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. So again, great time of year. I can drink tea all year though. I really could. It's ethically sourced from the best cacao beans from environmentally conscious and sustainable farmers, and no GMOs. All that stuff. It's all really good for you, and it's $19.99 for that tin. And I had some more information I thought about it. It's vegan, organic, sugar-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So it's completely natural and without any artificial preservatives, flavors, or starches. I just think that tin is just gorgeous. So I'm happy to try that. And Camille's all over everything. Next up, we have the Vital Proteins Collagen. This is a bovine collagen peptides. This is a powder. So this is going to be, here, let me show it to you real quick. I like proteins. I don't use them often. I mean, I don't use them all the time. I do, when I get a container, I try to use it. It's very good for you. You know, when I was younger, most people ate at home. So we got more protein from cooking meats at home, making soups from bones, things like that. So this can help you with that, getting the proper type of nutrients, because this is bovine collagen. So it is pure collagen, 10 grams of pure collagen per scoop. This is the unflavored one. They do have this in flavors. I looked at it online. And there's 40 calories for one scoop, and there's 40 scoops in this container. No, did I read that right? Hang on. Maybe that's not what it says. I made that up. So, well, I thought I read that how many were in this container, but now I'm not seeing that. Anyway, it says that there's 20 grams of collagen. I guess you're supposed to use 2 scoops for a serving. It is approved on the Whole30 diet. It's paleo friendly, made without gluten and dairy. No artificial sweeteners. It's $29.99. I might not have said that. It supports healthy hair, nails, skin, bones, and joints. Our collagen peptides advanced powder boasts hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, powerhouse ingredients that provide glowing wellness benefits. So, and it's also kosher. So, I don't see how many servings you get out of this container. I did make that part up. I apologize for that. You add 1 scoop of powder to water or beverage of your choice. Mix for 20 to 30 seconds until powder is dissolved, and consume immediately. Okay. And that's that. So this, you know, it's good for you. Throw it in your smoothie or something like that. Okay. You gonna sit down, Blue? Just plop yourself on down. And then we have one last product. And that is, I don't know why they're so busy today. This is, this was an interesting, this is, I don't know how to say it, Chiwis. So I would call it Chiwis. Chiwi sounds right. This is a kiwi chip. And this is a woman-owned company. Her name is Sarah, and she's a nutritionist, and she founded this company. And she's a huge fan of snacks, is what she said. It all started with the kiwi chip. She began making kiwi chips to bring on hikes, camping trips, or to the couch for a good Netflix session. And then after years of hearing feedback from friends and family that kiwi chips tasted like healthy Sour Patch Kids, and that they would buy kiwi chips if they were available in stores, she couldn't find them anywhere. So she started thinking about making a brand out of her favorite snack. And it turns out kiwi chips didn't exist at all. So she made them, and she launched this in 2021. So let's take a look at what it is. She has different, there's 5 different types. And some are like, there's a pineapple chip and things like that. So it is tangy and sweet, it says. It's made with real fruit and nothing else. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, nut-free, it's upcycled, and delicious and healthy. And it does include the skin. It's 100% natural, no added sugars, and no added oils. So a bag, oh, you can eat the whole bag. It's 180 calories. Well, that's if you want to eat the whole bag. If it's real sweet, I don't know that I eat the whole bag, but it's nice because it's resealable. When you open this, there is a Ziploc to reseal it. So let's check this out and see what it's all about. And you know, kiwi, a lot of fruit has vitamins, vitamin C in it, a lot of good vitamins in it. Okay, let's see what they, it smells really good. I used to have a dehydrator, and I used to dehydrate everything years ago. So this is one. This is what it looks like. It's sort of leathery. It's sort of leathery. Okay. It is good. It does taste like, it doesn't have the consistency of, but it has fabulous flavor. It tastes like candy. It tastes like gummy candy. like a sour gummy candy, just like it says. Really, really delicious, y'all. A little difficult to eat and talk. So that is really good. So let me show you what I got. We got the kiwi chips. We got the Vital Proteins bovine powder. We got this, I can't wait to try this me cacao tea. The Vega jelly. The Lip Food Echo Lips. Was that everything? And the Zing bar, the protein bar. So this, I think this is well worth the $18.95. I did get it less expensive because I bought it before the price went up. I think it was $15.95 a box, and I got a year. I bought it at a year. You'll save money on a year, but it's well worth it. It's well worth it. Now, I have a link below that I think is going to save you 15%. But they're also showing this, they have this in a little card in here that says you'll get 20% off if you use Balanced 20. So check out my link, and if you get 20% off instead of, I think mine is 15. But it's cool. If you sign up under me, and then you get this, you can have your friends sign up under you. If 5 people sign up under you, then you get a free box, when you extend your subscription. So that's really cool. So thank y'all for stopping by and seeing my Balanced Discovery Box. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. I forgot. I've been trying to let y'all know what I'm wearing because people ask me. So on my eyes, I have the Nomad Okavango Safari. This is a gorgeous palette. I love it. Of course, I wouldn't be using palettes that I didn't love, I suppose. But this is what I'm wearing on my eyes. And then on my lips, I have Marc Jacobs. And this is in the color Just Peachy. I think it's 504 Just Peachy. I love this Slippy. And this is the color here. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I never thought I would wear this color, but this came in, I think, Fab Fit Fun. I got this in a mystery bundle, I'm pretty sure. And I couldn't resist because I love the packaging and I love Marc Jacobs. So gorgeous. Anyway, that's what I have on, y'all.